Hi, I'm Teddy Burris, your Google Workspace and Gmail strategist, and this is the question I got asked. Will my Google history, my browsing history, go away if I log out of my Google account? I'm going to show you how this works in this video. So right here it is. I'm in Google Chrome and I'm logged in in my Gmail account. Okay, and so if I go to history, because I'm logged in to Google Chrome, there's all my history. Now, even if I were not logged into Google Chrome, let me create a new window. Even though I'm using an incognito window, look here, there's my history. You can see all of my history here. Now, in incognito, by the way, Chrome won't save your history while you're incognito, but it saves it from the other pages I have open or the other windows. It doesn't save cookies and it doesn't save information entered into your into forms. But websites you visit may still be visible to others. Your employer or school might be able to see your activity. And your internet service provider can definitely see your internet activity regardless of being logged into an incognito window. But I'm logged in right now and I'm going to log out. So I'm just go ahead and log out right here. Sign out. So I'll even go as far as closing down this window. And now I'm back to my Burris Consulting, my primary account, but I'm going to go open up and log in as Burris Consulting at Gmail again. So I'm going to go up here, I'm going to click here, and I'm going to go to right here, the other profile, and I'm going to choose the Burris Consulting at Gmail, which is the testing account I'm using for all these videos. Now I've logged back in as that account, Burris Consulting at gmail.com, and you can see right here, there's my history. Recently closed, show full history. There's all of my history. Actually, I don't think I've purged it out at all. It goes back quite some time, goes all the way back, only because I have not purged it out since, good golly, January 15th of 2022. So to answer the question, your Google Chrome browser history does not get removed when you log out of the account. It stays there, and when you log back into it, all of your history will be available to you again. How do I fix that? Clear your browser data before you log out, and so that it goes away completely when you come back. I can clear it again, clear it right now, and it will all go away. Again, your browser history does not go away when you log out of your account. There's one more thing to be aware of with your browser history, and that's if I go to my Chrome, myactivity.google.com. I'm not going to go into this in this video, but you need to look at myactivity.google.com as you're logged into your Google account and pay attention to what is being kept. What activity are you allowing Google to collect, track, and use? You really need to pay attention to this. It's a conversation for another day. I'm Teddy Burris, your Google Workspace and Gmail strategist, trainer, and coach, and I hope you find this helpful for you.